kunye, kunye, kunye. Kunye means one. Kubili, kubili, kubili. Kubili means two. Kutatu, kutatu, t, kutatu. Kutatu means three. Kune, kune. Kune means four. Kuhlanu, 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 kuhlanu means five. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my video.